Last game was a bit strange. I think it was a clear case of just total overthinking on my opponent's part. I've played this guy so many times in Title Tuesdays. He always plays d4 and I play something weird. And I've been, well, guess not. We're getting another Sicilian. Bishop b5. Guess that's reasonable. This, huh? Okay, let's play knight f6. Don't think he's much of an e4 player, so just trying to confuse him a tad. Oh yeah, it's this line, isn't it? Should I play like Gary did against Ivan Truk when he got crushed? Seems reasonable. I was expecting knight d5. Now I can at the very least go e6. And as long as I'm solid, you know, the bishops may be meaningful. Okay, it's reasonable. Bringing the knight into the center. Play h5 at some point, I guess. This is interesting. This becomes like a Kosovo system from the classical Sicilian, but then the white bishop and black knight is generally on the board. So I would assume this difference would slightly favor black in this case, but I'm not quite sure. I think if anyone, it favors black. Let's put it like that. It's a bit of a strange way to play for black, because you're basically saying, I'm not going to castle. That is just off the table, essentially. Maybe queenside at some point, but basically you've weakened both sides of the board. So it's quite committal. But you do get the two bishops, and in this case you even get the two bishops versus the two knights. And in a long, drawn-out contest, that may be a very important factor. And I shouldn't say that I've completely ruled out castling queenside here, because king could potentially be quite snug behind some pawns. Sure, a5. This just works c8. I just talked about queenside castling, and now I am ruling it out. So there you go. But it's continuing the theme of just playing super committal chess. Here I got, because this was his idea. Doesn't impress me like a ton. I guess we go here. King is usually reasonably safe on e7 in these variations. I want to go here, and I want to push. I think this is reasonable. Rook d2, I suppose, and then we start operations on the other side, or this side. For the moment, I think that e5 is probably a real threat. Knight f5, taking here. Okay. Guess I protect. Looks a little bit passive, but don't see exactly what he can do about it. Okay, so he wants to go here at some point. Just a very reasonable move. Back K7 after. Don't love that. I'm kind of a little bit stuck. I guess including A3, B3 shouldn't hurt me. I've got ideas of F5, like takes, and then E5, but it starts becoming a little bit risky. Okay. We need to move. Maybe this is a bad idea. Feels like it's reasonable. Take it. It's E4 move. No, I'm forgetting it. This is hanging. Maybe this was a really bad idea. Yeah, this was a bad idea. Just ruin my position for no reason. This is a bit risky. But didn't see like super simple options anymore. Okay, here, this is hanging. Oh, I had C3. Sorry, E3. That just won on the spot. What am I doing? That was just mate. Very silly. Should be in control still, but it's fairly easy to blunder stuff in positions like this. Okay. Avoid forks. That doesn't concern me too much. Here, I think we push. I blocked the pawns, but yeah, now I think I can just take. It's actually not so clear, is it? Yeah, I should win. Oh, B4. That was his idea. What am I doing? What am I doing? E2 should win. Okay, this doesn't help him. Yeah, this wins. Yeah, okay. Didn't have to resign. Oh, no, I was about to pre-move. I think queen takes g3, but he can actually take my rook and h2. I mean, that still wins, but that was a bit unnecessary.